how many people have turned out. Looks like the whole of Wellington is here to try some Malaysian cuisine. It really, I mean, Wellington's got more Malaysian restaurants, I think, than anywhere else in New Zealand, so no wonder they're all here. But this night market is very, very busy, and we've got Chef Wan took a demonstration at 5, and we've got a crowd gathering down that end. We've got a crowd over here.
Well, it's pretty exciting, isn't it? There's a few people around. What do you think, my little man?
It's different. It's been sitting in a restaurant. They should do it every week.
So in every dish that we eat, we always have a little bit of different kinds of curry. Whether it's chicken, whether it's beef, you know, sometimes seafood, sometimes fish. Some are red, some are brown, some are green, and some are white, and some are yellow. It's all identified by the different use of spices. Yeah. Are you Malaysian? Yeah. Can I see your passport? Thank you.
Oh, that is good.
Wait. Listen to this. I say, we can live without friends, we may live without books, but civilized men cannot live without cooks. Yeah.
That's the one great thing about Wellington is there's a huge population of Malaysians here. Like a great friend of mine is Malaysian and always used to cook a few latkes for me at home. So it's great to be here at home.
Laksa, really good, hot.
Busy, phenomenal, so good.
I just came across it. It's amazing.
We think it should be on all the time. Yeah, constantly here.
And I think all you can like Malaysian food.